Hi guys, so I had to rent an S70, Bobcat S70 for this job, so I'm going to give you a walk around of it. This machine is 36 inches wide, so it's 3 feet with the bucket. The lifting height is 6 feet 2 inches, which is actually pretty good. It has a 23.5 horsepower, I guess, Kubota or Doosan engine, depending on which model you have. It weighs in at 2,845 pounds, 6.5 gallons of fuel capacity. It goes 6 miles an hour, and the tipping load is 1,415 pounds, which means its safe ROC is 700 pounds. So it has the standard Bobcat quick attach if you will. So just pull this up and down, and that'll change the bucket. This is your D-ring for auxiliary hydraulics. Single piston, standard auxiliary hydraulics. It has the square headlights, which were common in the C&F series machines from years ago. I rented it from H&E. This is your diesel fuel fill over here. Okay. This latch is your tailgate. Open it up. You have your radiator here. This is your coolant fill. Don't know why there's a piece of paper in there. This is the alternator here. This is the starter. Muffler. Air filter is in here. The battery is here, which is actually really nice. Hydraulic fluid check is here. This appears to be your oil filter. This is your fuel filter. This is the fuse box. And this is a Kubota diesel engine, as you can see right in there. So it basically takes care of the back. So, and this is your exhaust pipe. It exhausts out the side. Backup alarm does not work on this machine for whatever reason. That's some secure tailgate there. Okay. This is your lift arm stop. And this is your fuel gauge. So you don't have a fuel gauge inside the machine. You have your fuel gauge out here. So as you can see, I'm still above full. H&E fills it up for you when they deliver the machine. These are foam filled tires. So we'll take you up inside. It's very cramped. That is an emergency valve. If the machine should fail in any reason and the arms are in the air, you pull that out. Pull it out like this, and the arms will relieve and go down. So this is the seat bar from the C&F series, similar to what Danger Zone has. And as you can see, these are your safeties. See right here? This pushes down, that unlocks the pedal. Okay, so you have your light switch is up here, as you can see. You got a red light back there. Parking brake. This is your hydraulic oil. This is an engine temperature, power port. Hour meter is up here. It's still the old analog system. 525 hours on this machine. Going to be 526. This is the BIC system, like you had years ago on the Bobcat. These lights light up when you're started and you press the unlock button, which is that. This is your voltmeter and temperature gauge. You've got a glove compartment here. Your operator's handbook is back there. And down here is the BIC's system computer. So I'm just going to start the machine up briefly to show you the BIC system. So this means the machine's ready to go. So see, lift the seat bar up. All 4 lights are on. That means you're not good to go. You're not active. Seat bar is down. That means the seat bar is engaged. Press to unlock. Now you're good to go. This light will turn off. That's your seatbelt light. And this controls your auxiliary hydraulics. Kind of like Danger Zone, like the 843s have, which I actually prefer. And this is in a horn, so you could honk at someone if you want. So I'm going to take the key out. So, this is the walk-around of an S70. Nothing much to show. But if you need to get through a narrow space, this is definitely the machine you need. Okay, thanks guys. The Bobcat S70 skid steer loader. Okay guys, so we're inside of an S70 Bobcat. The concrete buggy did not work out.